I'm blown away completely. I guess the third time's a charm. This is our third time being nominated, and we always come in and support everybody and have a great time. I mean, we have a great business community around here, and I love coming to the events and hanging with people. But to actually see our name up there, wow, this is great. I had to bring these guys up. These are the core of Richard's Plumbing Repair. Craig is our estimator and project manager, and he's got my back every single day. I can put him on any project at anybody's house, and I know that he's going to do an excellent job all the time and always make a quality product. Brad Krause, he's actually our new electrical division. We just started that. It's only been a few weeks now. But I've worked with Brad forever, and he's got a heart of gold, and he's someone that I would trust with the keys to the kingdom. And then lastly, Dusty Anglin has been by my side forever, since high school. He's my vice president. I can't even explain to you how much he's had my back with business-wise, personal, emotionally, family. I mean, he's just the best guy, and I'm very lucky to have him. And most of all, the team that we have at Richard's Plumbing Repair is hands down the best team around. They all share the same mindset, is that we want to have happy customers, a great product, and we all believe in quality, and they're just an awesome team. But with all that being said, this wouldn't happen without my family, who's always got my back and always behind me with all the good decisions I make, especially with the dumb ones I make sometimes. They've always got my back, and without them, I would be nothing. So, thank you.